Okay, bakit nga ba napakahalaga na mag-invest tayo sa sarili natin? A year ago, I dreamed of becoming successful one day. So I tried to gain not many but a few experiences and knowledge paano mag-step up sa sarili. Isa din yun sa rason kung bakit upload ng videos every single day. Actually, you are your business. Kapag may credibility ka na, mas madaling mag-upload hindi lang ng negosyo na meron ka, but also to becoming who you are. Well, to be honest, hindi siya ganun kadali. It will take so much time for you to become a skillful and hindi lang sa isang bagay. Kaya I'm challenging myself na i-conquer yung doubt sa sarili na meron ako. Pero sobrang sulit naman kapag nandun ka na sa part na yun. Imagine, sobrang saya ko sa process na ginagawa ko ngayon. So, bonus na lang yung resulta. Ang pinakamasarap ay yung nai-enjoy mo yung proseso ng buhay mo. Like, I'm sharing this video na hindi lang puro kabalbalan, kundi may value at pwede rin makatulong sa iba kahit paano. That's why I'm investing myself to deliver videos with a good tone and quality. So ayun lang, this is day 32 of Project 6 Figure and day 11 of the Arc Project. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace!